Okay, welcome. Today I want to talk about looking for similarities in the market by looking to the past. I know you heard me say that 1,000 times. You always want to look to the past to confirm your future. Now, today, let's go over that a little bit more, okay? And you don't always have to look super far in the past. Most of the time, you can look at the most recent trend and still have a great picture or idea of what's going to happen next. Okay, so seeing this right here, right? We see this past level of resistance. We see how price actually came right back there again. And what happened? In the past, it fell down at that level. For the future, it also fell down at that level. That's one similarity we can see in the market that happened more than once, right? Now, what's the next thing? It fell below this level and then pulled back to the same exact past level. We can look in the past, right? If we see this once again, what happened? It fell below this level and then pulled back to the same exact past level. That's a similarity in the market, right? It's doing the same thing. Fall below, pull back, it went even lower to the downside. Fall below, pull back, it went even lower to the downside. That's a similarity. Most likely, anything that happened before is going to happen again. Now that we found both of these points where it happened in the past, so multiple times at the same level, we can now look at where price action is currently at and get a general idea of what could happen once again by doing the same thing, and that's looking to the past, right? So we see how price action did come back to the same exact past level of support. If we look to our past, we can see a similarity, right? When price actually came down here before, what happened? It pushed to the top side. When price actually came down here this time, what happened once again? A similarity, right? It pushed all the way to the top side. So now that we're right back at the same exact level where we see price action have done the same thing twice before, we know approximately the same thing could happen once again. Like we said, you don't have to go super far in the past. Most likely, you can view the previous trends and get a general idea of what's going to happen next, right? It's just that easy. So now that we see 3 times price action has came to this level and pushed up, let's think about how we could enter this trade by using past similarities in the market to make another confirmation. In the past, right, the previous trend, when price actually came to this level, it pushed above this level and then pulled back to the same exact past level of support and resistance, right? Think about it. We're looking for similarity. So if we're looking for another trade to take, we're saying to ourselves, if price action can push above this level and pull back the same similar way it did right here, right? Break above a level, pull back, we're going higher. You're looking for the same thing. And that's how you can find ways to enter the market by looking at similarities that happened in the past. So we will be going long at that same given moment and have everything below the level as our stop loss and everything above the level as our take profit. Think about that, right? It comes here, falls below the level, pulls back, go to the downside. Pull above a level, pulls back, go to the top side, come back to the same resistance, fall below a level, pull back, fall below a level. We're looking to break above once again, pull back, and to go back to the top side to the same exact past level of resistance. So you see how I did that right there by just using past levels, price structure, right? And looking to the past to confirm our future. The same thing that happened right here, I want it to happen once again. Fall below a level, pull back, go lower. Same level of support, right? Fall below a level, pull back, go higher. Or excuse me, pull above a level, pull back, go higher. It's always just that simple, guys, right? You don't want to overthink these things. You don't have to. It's always going to be an easy way to get into the market. So you're looking at price action, fall below a level, pullback is going down. In this case right here for the future, we're saying to ourselves, if it can pull back above the level, pull back the same exact way, that means everything in the past can happen once again. And it's just that easy, guys, right? So this right here is how you look at past similarities to make a future trade. Just look to the past and understand exactly what happened before and see approximately, or it could happen once again. And that's how you're going to enter a market and find a great setup. So great job today, guys. This right here is a very, very simple and quick lesson. Hope everybody really enjoyed it. Just take your time in these markets, right? Take your time and really see what's going on. I see you next time, guys. Have a great day.